guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome to another episode of Mel's Kitchen. And if you're wondering why I look so cuckoo crazy today, it's because I'm getting my hair done and I'm not finished. So yeah, I'm getting all dialed up, so don't mind my craziness. But today I have an awesome recipe for you. I will be showing you how I make my curry shrimp stir fry. So if you want to see how I make that, for this stir fry, it's quick and easy. If you're late and you don't feel like cooking anything for a long period of time, this is a go-to dinner. Fast and easy, take you no time. So here are the things that we're going to need for this quick and easy shrimp stir fry. We're going to need some shrimp, which as you can see I already have my curry on. I also have some salt, and the only seasoning that I add to this curry is some bouillons. I'm sure you all know what bouillons is. This is the one that I'm using actually. So I put one of this in it, some salt, and my curry, and that's it. The only reason why I'm using bouillons alone is because this bouillon that I'm using, it have a burst of flavor and it is perfect. It gives my shrimp a nice taste and it doesn't take away all that curry goodness. All right, so I'm going to also add some vegetables. I have here carrots, some broccoli, and some green beans. I'm also going to add some mushroom. I have here also some sprigs of thyme, some peppers of different color. I'm using red, green, and yellow to make that look really colorful. And I'm also using some onions and some garlic in there, and I am also using some olive oil. All right, so here we go. I'm using this stir fry pan. So I have my pan heated and I'm just going to throw my olive oil in there. And I don't like to burn my curry, so I like to put my curry directly on whatever it is that I'm cooking. If I have to add more, I'll add more, but I am not a fan of burning my curry first. So first, I'm going to add all my seasoning. Woo! That smells really good. I'm just going to let that get the flavor out a little bit. Then I'm going to add my shrimp in here. If you could just smell all this goodness. I'm gonna mix that up nicely. And you don't want your vegetables and shrimp to be overcooked, so you just got to add everything in right away after your shrimp. So I'm gonna add in my mushrooms now, and I'm also going to add in all my veggies, and then I'm going to mix that up really nicely. And you just mix this around for a few minutes. Look at all that color. It looks really yummy, and I'm sure it tastes as good. And you just let this, you keep on mixing this for about 3 to 5 minutes, and your stir fry is ready. Because all of the ingredients that we have in here are delicacies and they're very easy to cook, and you don't want to overcook them, so you don't keep this on very long. See, all the curry from the shrimp transferred over to the vegetable, so I really don't need to add any more curry to this. It have a perfect yellow look that I'm going for. And you just keep mixing this until your stir fry is done. It smells so good. And the bouillon also have salt in it, so when you add the bouillon you need to be careful of the amount of salt that you're adding. But if it needs be and you need to add more salt to bring up the flavor, don't be afraid to taste it and add more salt if you need to add more salt, and you are good to go. It's all done. So there you have it, guys. Your curry shrimp stir fry is all done and ready. And don't forget, if you ever try any of my recipes, feel free to comment and tell me how it goes. Don't be afraid to ask me questions if you have any, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.